Hey, good morning, afternoon. Welcome to Horsley Retirement Adventures. I'm out in the rain, as you can see. As far as you can see, nothing but rain. There's a little, look at Cumberland Island's got a little sunshine over there, maybe just a little bit. But then it's raining over here. It's raining where I'm at, so I'm gonna go fish. What else to do? I mean, if I sit at home, you know what I'm gonna do? Eat snacks. That's all I do sitting in the home, is eating snacks. So I want to fish. Got some fresh live shrimp, and just gonna float some float rigs for a while and see what I can catch. More to come. If you're watching this, that means I caught some fish. Pull out. Yeah, I think I got something. Yeah, I know I do. What's these catfish doing in this salt water? Okay, well, I'm gonna let him go. Fall out. Got another fish. Slightly bigger, maybe. Hopefully, it's not a. Oh no. Another catfish. Ah. Okay. Oh, that's a sail cat. See how his wings are? There's a big old sail right there. Sail cat. Pull out. Float. Hope it's not a catfish. It's not. It's a redfish. Not quite 14 though, it's probably 13. But it's a nice redfish. Got one dot, 2 dots, 1 dot on each side. Pretty fish. All right, go grow up, buddy. Yes. Well, maybe there's some more back there. All right, pull out. Okay, got a small fish. Probably a small red. No, small snapper. Look at that. If it was bigger, it'd be nice to have. Snapper. Pretty cool fish though. Pretty. See ya. All right. See if we can get some more. Pull out. And on my bottom feeders, Carolina rig. Looks like a redfish. Looks a lot like a redfish. It's a little guy though. That'll do. I mean, for catch. Can't eat him. Got a couple dots. All right, buddy. See ya. I think I'm going to use my Carolina rig because I'm getting more bites on that than my bobber or float rig. Okay, more to come. Pull out. Uh-oh, oh, some might be bigger. Oh, looks like a black drum. Oh, it just ain't big enough. Whew. Oh, come on, come on. I'll get it out of your mouth. Thank you. Fine specimen of a black drum, though. What do you say? That's what I thought you would say. All right. See Say goodbye. Okay. One more and I'll have an intercoastal slam. All right, I think I got a crab. Just the way he took off with it. They don't like letting go of these shrimp. Man, that's a big crab if it is a crab. Jiminy crickets. Look, he's a chunky crab. Ah! He's going off the other side. Let him go. Stinking crabs. Pull out. No, if I was fishing for crab, I probably wouldn't get one. This doesn't feel like a crab though. I don't know what this is. Oh, whoa. Nope, that ain't no crab. It hit very soft. Oh, shoot. It's a stupid stingray. Put him off on the other side of the dock too. Should have been crabbing today. See, they don't let go. Now, if I wanted to keep these babies, look, he's trying to eat that shrimp as he's on the hook. If I wanted to keep them, they'd let go right away. Turkey. Okay. I think he's hitting the road too. Well, he's only got one claw. Held on pretty good for one claw. Okay. Gotta get rid of these crabs. Of course, if I count crabs, then that means I got my intercoastal slam. Pull out. Oh my goodness. Should have kept that up. Look at that. I got 2 crab. Having coitus. They just don't want to give up. Let go of my stuff. Look at that. There's 2 mating crabs if you want to see some crabs mating. There they are. Trying to make little baby crabs. That's pretty unique. All right, guys. Break up. See ya. Take your girlfriend with you. Pull out. Oh, caught something small. Oh, great. Oh, it's a little white perch thing. Not even good for bait. Oh, okay. Well, look at that. Kind of sad. It's like a big minnow is what it is. Okay, pull out. Oh, this might hit like a big fish, but he ain't. I don't know what he is. Oh, there we go. A different species. A little whiting. Come here, buddy. Whiting. That's what that was at. That's what that is. A whiting fish. He swallowed it a little bit. All right. I'm going to need some surgery on this guy. Pull out. Pull out. Okay. This is a sign that it's time to go home. I mean, he looks bigger because it's kind of close to the camera, but he's only like 5 inches maybe. So it's time to go home. Thanks for watching Horsley Retirement Adventures this morning or tonight, whenever it is you're watching it. Appreciate everybody watching. I'm back fishing again, thank goodness. Hopefully the weather clears up and I'll go out on my boat here and start catching some real fish and show you guys some better, bigger, fatter, more eatable fish. All right, thanks for watching. Paul out.